Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can change voice tone when you change the velocity in CapCut PC. So just select your video and just going to speed option and select normal speed for instance, yeah. And you can swipe to the left for slower and swipe to the right for faster. So have you changed the speed so it can be change the voice, yeah. So you can change the voice tone, just select this option, so just enable here and you can here for the voice, but I turn off the audio because it can be copyrighted. So you can try this at your project. Okay, that's how to change voice tone when you change the velocity in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Bye bye.